Hello everyone. So today we are going to connect the inventory with the character. Now in the game, when I press I, the inventory will be open and it will show the guns that the character is holding currently. So if I press I, now you can see this is the flamethrower icon and the rifle icon and the pistol icon. So if I select the flamethrower, I can see that in the UI. Rifle also and the pistol also. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to work on today. Alright, now at the moment the inventory can use the weapon blueprints directly and render them in the inventory UI. So this is the preview, but still it's not actually considering what the player is holding at the moment or any other details. So now that's what I'm going to work on. So when I press I or some other key like tab, the game will open the inventory menu and it will show the weapons currently held by the player. It will detect the weapons currently held by the player and show them. Okay, now where should we implement this logic? Right, I think we have this hard shooter. Let's open it. Since the inventory is going to be a part of the hard UI, I think it would be better to show it here. So let me open hard shooter, and also before that we need to work on the input. So input, this project is still on 5.03. I haven't updated to 5.1, so still we are not using the enhanced input system, but I'm planning to do that later. So for now let's just use a regular input. Now do I use I for anything or tab? It's better to use I because it's easier to remember. Okay, I'll name it toggle inventory. I maybe not toggle, just show. Right, input is correct. Now let's go to the player. Maybe not in player. Let's implement this input action in the environment, because maybe somehow if we implement a system like switching to another character, it would be better to have this open inventory function in a parent class. So show inventory input action. So now here we need to call a function that open the inventory. So as I said, I am planning to do the handle the inventory part in the heart, within the heart. So let's add a function. Toggle inventory. Open or close. So the reason I am the reason to implement it as a toggle is because you can use the same function, same interface function to close the inventory as well. Let's implement it, toggle inventory event. Alright, now we need to call this from the character. So player controller get hard toggle inventory, call it with the true. Alright, now we already have an inventory just placed in the world. Let's remove it. Okay, so that when I play the game will play without any interruptions of the inventory. And at the moment, if I press I, nothing happens because we are not really doing anything there. Here. Now we need to pause the game. Wait, if I pause the game, I'm not sure will I see the rotation of the weapon. Alright, I think in the BP inventory, this is where we have all the guns. We should enable tick when paused. Yeah, this should take care of that. Okay, now this is true. We basically need to pause the game. So set game post and spawn actor from class. So we need to spawn this inventory blueprint because that's where we do the rendering of the weapon and everything else related to the inventory. So we need to open that. Okay, if I just do that, spawn transform. I think if I just do that, we should already see the inventory. Let's see. Okay, press I. Nothing happened. Why is that? Well, the event was not firing because I is bind to something in the ALS player controller. So let me break it and mark as not to consume input, and now press I. Okay, it appears but it's not rotating, so I guess this option I enabled to tick when paused is not working. Okay, it's okay, let's look into that later. For now, let's just focus on getting the inventory to open up with the correct weapons. So here's the HUD. Right here. Let me skip pausing part for now. Press I, we get the weapon inventory. Okay, and change is also working, but still not using the weapons that is actually hanged to the character's back, and that is the next step. So here, instead of begin play, I'll add a custom event, initialize, just init inventory. So here we need a reference to the character that we are showing the inventories for. So we need a way to extract the weapon data from the character, and that weapon data can be extracted from this guns. So this guns variable contains actors and gun category. Gun category actually primary, secondary, special. Okay, right. Well, on the other hand, if we just have an array of the guns that the character is currently holding, that should be also enough. Okay. Now we need another event, another function to return the required details, and this one implements. Let's go to the parent. Okay, this one, 𝐶LMBPI character. Right. So under guns, let's add a function, get gun from category. I'll put it under guns, and as the input we need gun category. That means primary, secondary, or special. Primary means like rifles, special means something like a sniper, and the output should be what this gun variable is holding, actor. So output should be an actor. Gun. Actor object. Alright. Save. Now in the inventory, hold on, we have to implement this first. Compile. Why is this going in here? Oh, that seems like a bug. Anyway, get confirm category. Alright, here we have the cons. Find from the given category, and if it's found, we can return it. Otherwise, we can return null. Why do I get this level 2 save? Alright, now let's head back to the inventory. Here let's add an input character that we are showing the gun. So I just mark it as an actor object because we are using interfaces, so it's alright. Okay, now in the widget also we need to initialize these icons. So here also let's add another custom event. Initialize weapon weapons. Okay, now here also we need a reference to what is the character we are using. So actor object character. Now from the character we can get weapon from category. So here we can get the primary weapon. Oh, hold on, we already had it. Okay, I forgot about that. Let's see, get weapon from category. See, we already had it, but it only returns the gun type, not actually a reference to the object. But yeah, we should not make redundant functions, therefore let's edit it. Yeah, let's remove it from here and also from here. Alright, compile, save war. Now let's update this function. Return gun type. Hold on, do we really need access to the object also? Maybe we do. Yeah, so add an actor weapon. Okay, now compile, go back, make sure to return this, compile, Okay, had to compile the parent also. Alright, now in the inventory widget, compile, refresh. Now we have access to actor as well. From the actor we can get weapon icon. Oh wait, there is no such function, but we do have an icon here. So what we need to do is in the gun BP icon, define a function to return the icon, and this is in the type of why do I always get to save this untitled level? Here BP icon is texture 2D, get weapon icon, and the return type is texture 2D object, and it should return the icon. Okay, now in the BP gun we can implement it. Get weapon icon, simply return a reference to this weapon icon. Now go back to widget inventory, get weapon icon, and we need to use this icon for this image for the primary weapon. Set texture, set brush from texture. Let's try that. And we need to do the same thing for other 3 weapons also. So let's convert this to a macro. Init button. And here also we need to expose one more thing as the parameter self is character. Well, maybe we should promote this to a variable. Oh, it's alright for now. Self2 is button, and also we need to export the category. Okay, now we need 2 more for special and secondary. Special weapon handgun. Alright. Now the part 10. Inventory widget, okay. Before we add this to UI, we should call initialize weapons. Okay, now did we call init inventory somewhere else? I think for now it's safe to do it like this. Init inventory, and as the character I'll just use, hold on, let's go to HUD, init inventory, get player character. Okay, press I. Now we do have the correct weapon icons, because this is shotgun, this is AK, and this is rifle. So but still the change is not applied to the actual weapon image, which we should do where right, let's promote this to a variable character. And let's open this change weapon. So here get the character, get weapon from category. Instead of weapon, I'll choose category. And I'll change this to gun category. Right. Now, if we have this weapon from the category that we asked for, we can return the gun type. Okay. Right, so this is a special weapon, so special, this is primary weapon, category primary, and this is handgun, category secondary. And if you don't have a weapon at somehow, we should, oh, it's not here. In this step, if we don't have a weapon somehow, we should clear the icon for the button. So how can we do that? Oh, here also we need to check if we do have a weapon from this category. If not, set brush from texture. Oh wait, maybe we can just no, let's call the same function without a texture and see what happens. Okay, working. What's the other weapon player is holding? M1 911. This one, do we have that in here? Yes. What's the gun type of M1 911? Oh, it's marked as Glock. That is a mistake we need to fix, but not now. Now it should work. One more thing. After initializing the buttons, we need to show the primary weapon. So call this still this is not changed. I wonder why. Right, I think the reason is, yeah, this one. Now all should be good. Let's test. Okay, we have a Mossberg, shotgun, AK, and a pistol. Oh. Now what happened there? Right. I think we should do this step here. Because without a reference to the inventory blueprint, it cannot change the selection. So that's what happens there. Still no? Okay, what's this? Oh, sorry. This step must come beforehand. Now we can simplify it. Now it should be good. Let's see. Yeah, by default we see this one and this one and this one. Okay, now let's see with something different. Instead of shotgun, I'll assign crossbow. Yeah, the system is working. Nice. What if we don't have a weapon from some category? Special weapon, none. Let's see now. Okay. In that case, oh, actually, I forgot to exit here. That's the case. That's the issue. And also, if we don't have a weapon for the primary category, we should still call and hide all other weapons. So how do we do that? We don't have none here. Let me just this is a cheap workaround, but this would work because we haven't connected anything for the binocular, but then again this would return us access none, trying to access none, null access error. So let's set another parameter boolean clear. By default it should be false, but if it is true, we should not make any other weapon visible. And this becomes white, which is not exactly what I need. We just need some we should call it clear. Okay. And for the icon, what's the default icon we have? This is square. Let's just use this border for now. Yeah, no weapon. So I will replace this something like a no weapon later. So for now I'll just leave it like this. Oh, Wait, why now I can't even select this? What's wrong? Oh, sorry. This should be connected here. Alright. Cool. So I think that's enough for today. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.